Recently, these AI cartoon character vlog videos are going viral on Instagram and other social media platforms. So today, I will tell you how to recreate this effect on your mobile device. The first thing is to find an image of characters from Chrome or other browser. We can then use it as reference. Next, open AI Marvel's app. I will put the official access link in the description. It is available on both Android and iOS devices. Now tap AI Lab. Enter the first card. Import the reference image. You may import more images as you like. Tap here to write the prompt. You can simply describe what image you want to create. Take this for example. I am asking it to create a young person taking a photo with the characters in a rural market. And you can choose the latest Nano Banana 2 or GPT Image 2 model here. Tap Submit. And seconds later, it will generate a cool image like this. Save the image. Then back to the AI Lab. Tap the AI video card. Tap the second image icon. Import the image here. This time, we want to turn this image into video. Just write down the video prompt here. Describe the video with natural language. I am asking it to create a video of a person happily taking a photo with the characters with a realistic vlog style. I would recommend choose CDance 2.0 or VO 3.1 as the video model. They perform better video quality. Then tap Generate. When it is completed, we have the video generated. If you want vertical aspect ratio, just write it in the video prompt, and it will create vertical version like this one. There are more trending AI video templates inside the app. Feel free to explore it yourself. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI trends and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.